pancit. Hello, Charms Kenyan! Welcome back and welcome to my channel. It's me, Charms K. And for today's video, my mom will going to prepare for our dinner. It's like a sinabawang pancit with longganisa, with matching longganisa. So because we don't have a budget for our to buy this chicken or a pork, or a meat, then we decided to buy a longganisa to match with our pancit sinabuan. So stay tuned and watch us. Bye. So hello everyone. As you can see here, my mom was already put our garlic and onion with matching longganisa. So she doesn't wait for me. And then right after that, we're going to also to clean our pancit with this repolyo, or we call it cauliflower. And then my mom put already the soy sauce into the big pot with this bell pepper and onion, garlic with our longganisa. So after that, my mom also put an oyster sauce to make more add flavor of our pancit noodle soup with longganisa. So she bought another one because it's not enough. Wow, yummy foodie. So after this, guys, also my mom will put water, like 2 cups of water, and then we're going to wait until it boiled. So she already prepared our pancit with this cauliflower and make it
Say
more
hello.
smooth. So there you go.
Happy birthday.
Don't forget to subscribe, everyone. Thank you so
My
much.
mom's birthday on this August 12, guys. It's
For
coming
this new
Saturday.
here, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the button. And please, guys, support my channel. Thank you so much. So right here, it's already having water, and then my mom already put the pancit inside the big pot with this cauliflower. So after this, she's going to mix it so that it will be combined. There you go. Wow, so yummy. It was like yummy foodie my tummy. So my mom will put again another soy sauce to make more because it's like not tasteful. So she's going to put again, and also magic syrup because nasa kamay ang sarap. And then also the vichin, and right after that is the salt. So when this one will get boiled after a minute, then it will be done and it's time to eat. This is just so easy dish. It's a pancit noodle soup with matching longganisa. So I can smell it, the aroma. It makes me hungry, guys. So I was here just watching my mom cooking with this, and oh my god, I feel so hungry. So she's going to taste it now.
Yummy.
Yummy my tummy, this foodie. So she added again another salt. So right after this, it's done. So let's eat, guys. And thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the button. Thank you so much. And please share and also comment down below. Thank you so much. If you have more questions or if you have more suggestions, then just comment down. Thank you so much. Have a good day.